And in this video I'm going to show you a quick, easy way to kill wasps around your property, around your homestead, in your backyard, or wherever they might be a nuisance to you. You only need a few simple things to do this with. One is you need some type of fruit juice, and I'm just using this like a half a gallon of apple juice. And the second thing, and the main ingredient that kills the wasps, is boric acid. And I'll leave you a link in the description to the Amazon link to where I bought mine. This is 2 pounds, and this will last me several years. You can buy it in smaller quantities if you don't need 2 pounds of it. But I think I spent like $14 for this 2-pound bag. And this is 99.9+% purity. You want to be as close to 100% pure as you can possibly get. Get yourself an empty container of some sort. I'm just going to use an old half-gallon milk jug that I rinsed out, and we're going to use that to mix up the solution that we'll be using to kill these wasps. Now, I don't think that the percentages are all that critical, but basically I took this half-gallon jug and I put in 3 teaspoons of the boric acid granulated powder, and then filled the jug to the top with apple juice. Then shake that up until it's all dissolved in there, and then you've got your wasp killing concoction. Now supposedly this is not dangerous to honeybees, which is important because we don't want to kill any honeybees, we just want to kill the wasps. And then we'll take that solution, that wasp juice solution that we mixed up, and pour that into some type of a container, and I just used old pop cans. And then you want to put a stick in there so that as the wasps go down in there to drink that juice, they can still climb back out. You don't want them to drown inside the can. What you want them to really do is go down there, get some of that, find out how good it is, take some back to the wasp nest and tell everybody else about it, and they can all come and get a drink. It'll kill those wasps no matter where their hive is. You don't even have to know where the hive's at in order for this to be effective. And then I'll take those cans and place them around your property. Try to keep it away from kids and pets. You don't want the kids playing in it or spilling it. You don't want the pets lapping it up or anything. And just let it go to work, and it'll kill those wasps. And then I'm going to show you a bonus method of, once you get rid of the wasps, a way to keep them from coming back to your property for the rest of the season. A lot of people use a paper sack for this next step, but I looked around the house. I don't have any paper sacks laying around. So I'm going to use a piece of this. They used to call this newspaper. Since there's no such thing as news anymore these days, I call it propaganda paper. So whatever you want to call it, pick yourself up a piece of that. I'm going to cut it into quarters, wad up a piece of it, kind of make a ball out of it. And then take the other piece and form it into a ball just like that. That's about the size of the wasp nests that I generally get around my property. I'm just going to take a piece of masking tape, just kind of, you can use a piece of string, whatever you got. Doesn't have to be fancy. You're just trying to make that look like a nest, like a wasp nest. Now, wasps are highly territorial, and from what I understand is they won't build a nest next to another one. I'm going to make 2 or 3 of these, however much propaganda paper I've got available, and then I'm going to staple these to my wooden fence out there right where I generally see a wasp nest. This should deter the wasp from coming back or from building new nests, but we'll see. If you like the video, guys, go down there and give the video a thumbs up. Click that like button. I will really appreciate it. Hope this helps you out and works for you. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to the channel. You find all kinds of stuff like this. DIY projects around your homestead to help you out. We'll see you on the next video.